So now we're gonna do the ones without the chili paste. The fish is already salted, MSG'd up. I use a lot of ginger when I do this. We just want that ginger to be in there. Of course, we're gonna put a beer in here. Depending on how much broth you want. I think that should be good enough. And this one, it should look like. This is the one without the pepper, chili paste. This one's the one with the chili paste. So it's that easy, guys, and it's good eating. So we're gonna put these on a steamer, maybe for about 30 minutes, and I will see you then. Now what we got here is this is the one without the chili paste, and then I'm gonna put this one on top of it. Make sure it's on tight. Put the lid on there. You should be good. I mean, I think every Hmong people got these, so you should know. And maybe about 20-30 minutes, maybe like change it up, put the bottom one on top for 15 minutes, rotate them, and they should be good. You want to put a lid on there, and we'll wait for about 30 minutes.
Go.
Now it's been 30 minutes. We're gonna check up on it. Looks good. We got our green onion here. Now what we're gonna do is put your green onion on top of it, like so. Now what we're gonna do is right here I have some very hot oil. These are vegetable oil. I guess you could use any kind of oil, but they must be super hot. Because we're gonna sear these green onion with that oil. So we're gonna try it. Yeah, don't use too much oil. If you do it, this is gonna And then with this dish right here, what they call for is soy sauce, but they want you to use the light soy sauce. I don't have light soy sauce, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of these. These are the mushroom soy sauce. These are dark soy sauce, but I'm not gonna use a lot of it. And well, it's good. It's very good. Got this one out. Perfect. And that's it, guys. Great thing about this dish is you always have leftover beer. So enjoy, guys. Alright, let's